quite the conundrum. Stay here and wait for the laptop to die, or, ooh, could it be possible? I have this dream of being blinded. No, I have this dream of working on the beach one day, all day, remotely, and could solar panels that fit into a small backpack, in a small rucksack like that one, could they power a laptop? So I'm exporting. The battery life is going to go down in just a minute, but we have this turned on. Let's plug it in the power source. Ah, did you hear that? And it shows charging right there, ready to charge. See, it's green. Fast charging. That's pretty cool. Now, how fast it would charge, I don't know, but if I lowered the brightness, that might make a change. But the fact that it's charging, that's awesome. I've tried this on other bigger laptops and it did not work. The laptops did not even show a charging indicator, but this is a MacBook Air with the M2 chip, and for some reason, it works. Thank you, PaleBlue. And that is the Approach 2. That's pretty awesome. I do wish it had one USB-C port. That would be really cool. Okay, I'm not saying it's impossible, but see right there, 3 hours and 7 minutes. So if I reduce the brightness to barely visible by human eyes. Okay, now I can't read it. Yeah, it was 2 hours. So even though it says fast charging, it's not quite fast enough to power a laptop when it's rendering a 4K video. Oh, we're down to 98%. Time, 17:14. It's been connected to the solar panels for almost a full 10 minutes. The other trick, of course, is keeping your laptop out of direct sunlight while you're solar charging the laptop. So I recommend getting a nice 5-foot, maybe even a 10-foot USB-A to USB-C cable. Otherwise, your laptop is not gonna like that extra heat. Unlucky where I'm working right now, I kind of have shade and perfect sunlight. So optimal settings. Working remotely, I pulled out the keyboard and mouse. It connected automatically to my laptop, which honestly is being charged by solar panels. Very cool. And these three things, the keyboard, the mouse, and the laptop, have not talked to each other for over 2 weeks. So the fact that they're able to communicate without me reconnecting or doing Bluetooth typing, well, Bluetooth reconnecting, awesome.